Tesla driver from 2018 crash was had autopilot on. U.S. agency US government investigative agency NTSB's preliminary report on the 2018 crash involving the 2014 Tesla Model S and a fire truck claimed that the car was in autopilot mode. Autopilot was engaged continuously for the final 13 minutes 48 seconds before the collision. NTSB said, "I was having a coffee and a bagel," the car's driver also told the NTSB. IIT Kharagpur students build home-rechargeable three-wheeler. A team of students and professors at the Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur has built Deshla, an electric three-wheeler that can be charged at home. 3-year research and development for building the vehicle was led by mechanical engineering Professor Vikranth Racherla. Deshla can run at a speed of up to 50 kmph and is more stable and jerk-free on roads. Video shows Tesla driver asleep in moving car. Tesla calls it a prank. A video posted by a US man shows the driver of a Tesla car sleeping as the car speeds along the highway. Responding to the video, a Tesla spokesperson said, "Many of these videos appear to be dangerous pranks or hoaxes. Our driver monitoring system repeatedly reminds drivers to remain engaged and prohibits the use of autopilot when warnings are ignored." Kia Motors to start exports through Chennai port from September 20. South Korean carmaker Kia Motors will begin exporting vehicles manufactured at its new Anantapur plant via the Chennai Port Trust. The first lot, which is expected to be shipped on September 20, will contain 500 vehicles and the volume will be increased gradually. Kia Motors India COO Jong-soo Kim said the company manufactured 6,000 cars in the first month. Youngsters want gadgets over cars as they have Ola, Uber. Bhargava Maruti Suzuki chairman R.C. Bhargava has said youngsters would rather buy gadgets than cars, as they find shared mobility like Ola and Uber economical. "So, what Finance Minister said is 100% correct," Bhargava added. "Today, a youngster wants to buy a nice smartphone and wants to meet his friends at a restaurant and have a good time," he further said.